Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, wherever you are in the world today. I'm glad you're joining us. My name is BTick. This is the Balloon Sculptor, and welcome. So today we're going to be covering how to make the simplest balloon dog there is. It's simply called the three twist dog. Now, I've had a lot of fun teaching this dog to kids all over the world, in Russia, Costa Rica, Puerto Rico, Mexico, all over the United States. And I am convinced that if you know how to operate YouTube, you too can learn how to make this dog. So, first thing we're going to do, I'm going to show you how it's done. We're going to take the balloon, we're going to fold it just like that. We're going to give it a little squeeze, twist, simple as pie. Going to just do that all the way. Now, this is the demo. Now we're going to cover how to do this. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is, well, you're going to have to grab a balloon. So if you don't have one, you might want to stop this video and go get some, or just enjoy the show. So we're going to blow up a balloon. Now imagine how much you blow up the balloon is how much the dog's going to be, how the proportions. Are you going to have a dash hound, or are you going to have a little poodle? So it's all going to be in your dimensions. For this one, we're going to leave about a good hand's width, about 6 inches or so of tail when we're done. So about 5, 6 inches. So yeah, just like that. Now, if you don't know how to tie a balloon, if you look in the playlist under balloon techniques, there's a great video, real quick one, on how to tie a balloon the way I do it. So that's a good refresher if you need it. And the cool thing about the three twist dog is it's really hard to mess up. Practice it a few times. The hardest part of the whole thing is just getting your dimensions right for how big your ears are compared to how big your nose is and things like that. But it's very simple. All you're doing is folding the balloon just like that. Gonna give it a nice squeeze. Don't worry, you can't squeeze the balloon too hard. And I can squeeze it with all my might and it's not gonna pop. So once I squeeze, I'm just gonna lift up just a little bit, just a little. And I'm gonna rotate. One, two, three. 3 times around, and that will give me my head. Just like that. Very basic, very simple. Now the cool thing about it is now we can do the exact same thing again, but instead of a nose, we're gonna make it our neck. So grab where we're gonna want our neck to be. This section here is going to be our feet. Again, give it a nice little squeeze. Rotate. See where we're going with this? Good. We're going to do it one more time. Now, just a longer body. Again, wherever you want it to be. And this is the remainder part that whatever's left is going to be your tail. So we're going to, again, bend it where we want it. Give it a good squeeze. And we're going to twist. And just like that, we have our three twist balloon dog. Very simple. Now, one thing I like to do if I'm doing an event with a whole bunch of kids and maybe I you know, want to end with something fun, is I'll have a whole bunch of balloons pre blown up, ready to go. And at the very end, I'll give each kid one balloon and teach them all how to make the three twist dog. That way they can take something home and tell mom and dad how they made it themselves. And it's a great way of ending something. But in balloon twisting, it's also a great beginning because what we can do now, once we know the balloon basic three twist dog, well, we can have a little fun. And our next one, we're going to make the traditional balloon dog, but with my own little twist on it. So there's your three twist dog. Let's do it one more time, full speed, so you can just see what it looks like. And there you go. Have a wonderful day. And remember, a smile is free. A thank you only takes a second, but a word of encouragement at the right moment can change a life forever. Until next time, keep on twisting. Adios.